Look at this, bro. This is the actual worst. It is freaking soaked on this table. Well, these two and those two are my landlord's car. And he told me he was gonna move them and never ever moved them. In fact, he actually added more cars, even though I am literally paying for this whole back lot. This is like oil. This is literally oil dripping from the ceiling. What is going on? Mike's vlog. Today I'm gonna give you a little behind the scenes look at the boosted Rooster in the boosted barn. I've been working in this bay all month and it's kind of a mess, and I need to pull out some cars all the way from the very back. I need to replace bearings in this car and this car, so I need to move this all the way up front. That means everything here needs to move. We got stuff like the box corner and a bunch of broken cars and just a general mess that I have left throughout the month that I need to clean up. This vlog is brought to you by, well, Mike's Vlog. The Boosted Rooster channel is trying to make super high quality and cinematic videos, but videos like that take a lot of time, effort, and money to make. So for my diehard Boosted Rooster fans out there, I started a new channel called Mike's Vlog. What is that? What is that? I'm posting a lot of videos there just with less production quality, but they're still really good videos. I have 2 videos up on there right now, and my goal is to post videos on that channel like once a week. Make sure to subscribe to Boosted Rooster and Mike's Vlog, link in the description. Now before we go and clean the entire garage, how about a 2025 Boosted Rooster fleet update? If we step outside of the boosted barn, you can see there's 100 different cars out here. Which one of these are mine? Well, me and Jessica share this Chevy Camaro Z28 manual. This thing is so cool. Video coming on this soon. This Dodge Caliber SRT4 that I still didn't reveal to you guys. Jessica's Honda Civic Si that I put coilovers on for max speeding rods. And we're actually going to make a video turboing this soon. Next is 2008 Mercedes C300 4MATIC. This is our new daily. We just got this not too long ago. We share that too. And then Jessica's 350Z. This is outside as well. And then this is my very first car, my 2006 Mitsubishi Eclipse. Something actually crazy happened, including these, and it's because of the location we are. Now you might be wondering, what are all these other cars and why are they literally blocking your garage? Well, these two and those two are my landlord's car. And he told me he was gonna move them and never ever moved them. In fact, he actually added more cars, even though I am literally paying for this whole back lot. It's a big issue. At Jessica's house, I have my Mitsubishi Lancer Evo 10. You've seen this in a bunch of my YouTube shorts. This is my daily driver. I recently sold the carbon fiber hood because I needed to pay for rent, but don't worry about that. Everything in here is waterproof for the most part. I love this car. And here are the cars I currently have inside. Corvette C4. This is a 1998 Corvette C5. This is the giveaway neon. I don't know why I still have it. I still need to part it out and do a bunch of stuff with it. Everything takes so long to do, especially in this super wet, swampy shop. This is my personal neon. And this is my really cool Lexus IS300. 1 of 1 super special edition. And over here, we're storing Jessica's Mark III Toyota Supra in here for a little bit, which actually... Alright, now let's get to cleaning this dump. I'll start over here. Random box. Random box. Useless case. Trash, trash. Woo! Where do I put this? I do save all these boxes because when I work on the floor, it's always all wet because of like the swimming pool roof. So, I mean, you have to make do with what you have. So I always break down these boxes and save them. This is exactly why I keep a bunch of cardboard around. Look at all that oil. There's so much room now. One more thing. The holidays are over, so the lights gotta come down. We have another piece of scrap to add to the wall. How am I gonna do this? I have no idea. In this corner, I kind of have a problem. This is where I like to store all my cardboard because it's a nice convenient place and it's not in the way of anything. But there's one big issue. Somehow it's literally raining in here. And so all these boxes are getting destroyed. I need these boxes. And no, it's not because of the bunny. These are literally soaked. Water is a big problem at my shop and I really don't know what to do about it. It's literally destroying all of my cars. Look at this. This is like wax. I don't know what this is. Look at how bad it is over here. I literally have to cover my cars or else they'll get soaked and just rust. Somehow it's wet here. What? But like, look at this stuff. This is like oil. This is literally oil dripping from the ceiling. What is going on? It leaks right here. Over here is a big spot that it leaks. All around here it leaks. Right now the door is covering it. But like, it just leaks. This is not because I pulled a bunch of cars in. This is all just water leaking from the roof. It is completely soaked the floor. And even worse, in my storage room, it is leaking actively onto my brand new air compressor. Like, it is soaking wet on the ground. The lights don't even work. Only one bulb works. These long lights don't work anymore. They shorted out. It leaks on my table, so everything here is literally trash now. And like, this random spot is just leaking everywhere. This cardboard soaked. All my parts here. I didn't even know. I had like my neon intake manifold was sitting here and that's all soaked and now I had to move that. Look at this, bro. This is the actual worst. I have this table here where I put a bunch of really important car stuff on. It is freaking soaked on this table. And right underneath this table, I have my built neon transmission. So if water gets in that, I'm literally screwed. I have nowhere else to put it. It literally, every corner leaks in this shop. Now, I really don't know what to do about this water problem. Maybe I'll transition into a fish or something. And no, my landlord won't fix it. He told me that I'm asking for too much multiple times when I asked him. I really don't want to move shop again. It took like 2 months to move in and set everything up and clean all the previous owner's mess. I don't even have a truck anymore. Now, unfortunately, the only place in the shop that doesn't have water on the floor is right in the middle of the room. So that's where I'm gonna have to put all these cardboard boxes. I moved the Lexus out. I dropped the camera so the battery fell out, so it didn't save the recording. Now for the big moment. I need to fill up all these tires somehow. I don't know if I can even get in on this side, but all of them are flat. All right, under here, I need to plug in the battery. It's right here. Oh, of course it's stripped. Okay, now I do have to be quick because the bearings are worn out on this car, which is not very uncommon with high mileage cars. And I don't want to cause any unnecessary damage, so I'm going to be replacing those tomorrow. But first I need to move the car from here all the way down to there. And it looks like my landlord went ahead and washed the interior of my Corvette for me. Pretty nice. Oh my gosh. We have to start it up. Okay, first Alexis. Time to drive this thing one more time before it goes under surgery. Alright. I have no power steering, so forgive me if my recording's bad. Yeah. Alright. Perfect. Almost as perfect as these seats. You can't make this up, bro. I literally just pulled this in and walked away for 1 second, and look at this. It's already leaking into the car. Awesome. How do you take this out? You know how to take it? Huh? Oh, these latches.
You got it?
I think. Yeah. Thank you. I am going to be moving shops in the next few months, unfortunately. I just can't keep paying so much for such a useless space, bro. There's a ton of videos I'm in the middle of making before you guys ever see the Corvette again. It'll probably be a few months. I strive for perfection in every video I make, so that's why they take so long, but I promise I'm getting faster at it. Thank you so much for your continued support for the Boosted Rooster. It means a lot. If you like Corvettes, I will give you one if you subscribe to Boosted Rooster and Mike's vlog.